This advanced machine can fill thousands of bottles every single hour. Advanced cameras inspect every bottle before it moves to the next stage. Robotic systems package the finished bottles without any manual handling.
Every biscuit is shaped with perfect size and precision by automated machinery.
A giant tunnel oven bakes thousands of biscuits to perfection every hour. Smart cameras inspect every biscuit and instantly remove imperfect products. The finished biscuits are packed and sealed at incredible speed.
AI-powered machines inspect and sort thousands of cocoa beans with incredible accuracy.
Advanced roasting technology unlocks the rich flavor hidden inside every cocoa bean.
The chocolate is refined into a smooth texture and automatically molded into perfect bars.
Advanced roasting technology unlocks the rich flavor hidden inside every cocoa. The final product is automatically prepared for distribution. Without stopping for a second, the machine automatically loads freshly cut sugarcane into transport. Even in complete darkness, advanced harvesting technology keeps the operation. Powerful rotating blades slice through dense sugarcane fields with incredible